Howdy y'all, today is Science Day here on the YouTube channel. Alright, once upon a time a buddy told me he had a little Poulan saw and he wanted to know if he could run diesel through it, and he tried it out. He said it freaking worked. I've yet to try it, so I'm like, you know what babe, let's do a video today. So we figured we'd see if a power saw runs some diesel. Might as well bring you guys along. Alright, get my science gloves, which also are gloves I use to grease my machine, work on blowing hoses and stuff, just so I don't have to climb back in and get my handle grips all greasy. Have a bottle here. Alright, put some diesel so you guys can tell it's diesel. My boss, what would this be, about $5 these days? Gotta love fuel prices. Alright, let's go on over to the testing center. I fired the saw up already just to make sure it'd start. This is a chainsaw I got from my uncle a while ago. I was gonna buy a Poulan just to kind of do this video, whatever, but yeah, I was looking at prices and stuff like that. I was like, I don't really want to spend 75 bucks. I'm kind of a poor logger, so not much money. And I was like, oh, I've got that chainsaw on the back of my Samurai, which is good to have, so I don't want to mess it up, because it is a pretty cool little saw. And especially seeing that we just did that video the other day about that Echo 7310. This one actually is an old Echo 650 EVL. I don't know what year it is. I mean, looking at it, it has to be 80s. You know, big, freaking heavy for what it is. So what my buddy told me is you have to get the saw nice and hot first. So like I said, I already fired this up just to make sure it would fire. And this saw is actually a pretty cool saw. I need to sharpen the chain on it, but I don't want to mess it up. So let's get this experiment on the way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start it up, let it run. I'm going to run the heck out of it, get it nice and hot, and then dump the fuel, and then dump the diesel in, and fire back up. I wonder if I should keep her running. Yeah, we'll see if we'll start on it. Quick, so she stays nice and warm. Dump the diesel in her. Come on. Hey, buddy. Switch on. Well, I guess the chainsaw won't run on diesel. Myth busted. Thanks for watching. Stay awesome.